Hey guys, Brent Stilley, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Came out to Sturgis not looking necessarily for a turbo system, but when I rode out in Bonneville Salt Flats racing Buells, I really fell in love with turbos. I did my homework and I found these guys, Trask in Sturgis. I came in, the staff, service guys, everybody was exceptional, answered all my questions, took their time with me, and they even walked me through what the process would be. I didn't feel like there was a better option, so I signed up. They installed it here. The service guys again went through everything with me to make sure I was good and comfortable with the process. I left my bike with them, came back later in the day. They walked through the do's and the don'ts of what it was going to be like, but I can tell you right now, they weren't even close to how exciting the experience was. Because this morning I took this on a 200-mile ride through the Black Hills, the twists, the turns, the straightaways, and I can tell you this, by just putting that Trask turbo system on this bike, it made it a completely different ride for the good. So if you guys don't have one and you're wondering, get down, talk to somebody at Trask, email them. Every one of these guys was exceptional with me. So I don't know what's holding you back. Good luck, have fun, because I know I will.